Hey everybody, Jack Boyles with Steam Engines USA, and hey, I'm really excited to get this package today, but it's too big to go in the car, so we're gonna have to cut it open and stick it in there. Let's see here. I'll hang on to this plastic. Set that down in here and peel the top back onto this. See what we got. Oh yeah, nice. So thank you for the awesome packing job. So I'm gonna pull this out and I'll come right back. All right, so we got the packaging off, and this was tucked up under there. Jensen Model 50 power plant, 1949, and that's what the family has stated this was. So I'm gonna take this off. It looks like they had a little piece of hose running from the water pump to the bottom of the boiler. So let's pull that off. And it needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but we got the whistle, power cord, and I do not like the way you loop this around here. I mean, I know a lot of people probably do that, but I don't think it's good to put that pressure on this little drain line down here. So let's take that off. Just set this down on the back side here. So nice original cord. I mean, everything about this is pretty much original, and I'll put the smokestack on a little bit later, but that's the original. Got some look at it right there's the drive belts. Look how they've just wrapped them around there to keep them. How about that? And let's see here. It has not been turned in a while, so we're gonna lube that up. I'm not even gonna try to turn it. And this right here, it says Chase P. How about that? Or chat, CHASEP. Huh. So just a really nice steam engine we got here. This is a Jensen Model 50. It's my first look at it. Just came in the mail today. Should polish up and clean really good. So, yep, pop-up valve is good. It's got the now the interesting thing is it's got the sight glass like they had from 1942, and great. I was wondering, I was a little worried there for a second. I thought maybe it was broke, but it's just got dirt on it. So the sight glass is in great shape. Open that up, that's good. Nice little gauge, look at that. So we're gonna get this thing home, clean it up, but yeah, boys and girls, how you like that? We're a nice new owner of a, what I believe, a 1952 Jensen Model 50 steam engine, possibly 1949 But regardless, this thing is beautiful. Original, excellent condition. And somebody's put those little clips in there to keep it from coming apart. There's one in the corners. Look at that. I don't think that would have been original with Mr. Jensen, but it's possible. Maybe somebody put this on there trying to repair it at some point. But it looks like 2 boards put together there. Actually, it's just a split. 1 solid board and then the 2 end pieces. So tickled to death to have that. So thumbs up. Next time you see it, we'll have it cleaned up, and then maybe in later videos we'll have it running. So thanks for watching.